Is the content language setting not working on the LinkedIn app? If you can change your content language, LinkedIn shows posts in the wrong language, or your language preferences aren't being saved, it can affect your browsing and not working experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix content language on LinkedIn app. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn app. You will go to this window here. Then here in this page, you will find this window of profile. You will go to settings. After that, you will move to account preferences, and then here you will find content language and you will change it here. So please don't forget to support us.